Carnival beat earnings on every headline number today. EPS came in at 41 cents against estimates of 34 cents. Revenue hit $6.6 billion, up year over year. The stock dropped nearly 5% anyways. Here's why and what the FSR shows. The beat was real, but Carnival's guidance for the second half of the year came in cautious, citing geopolitical tensions and rising costs. That's what moved the stock, not the quarter that just happened. One analyst noted investors are less worried about today's numbers and more worried about what's coming next. 3 months of hourly data, FSR score 88%, rolling FSR at 97%. Prices range between $24 and $31 over this window, with a 3-month average around $27. Look at the far right of the chart, that's today. Price had been climbing toward $31 over the past several sessions, and today's earnings reaction pulled it back down to $28.72. This is remarkably high FSR score for an earnings reaction day. 88% overall, with 97% rolling, means even today's drop happened in a structured, orderly way, not chaotic. The stock had real momentum going into this report, and the pullback, while sharp, fits within a pattern this data has shown for 3 months. Beat the quarter, missed the future, that's the story. Record revenue and a profit beat couldn't outweigh caution about the back half of the year. The analyst average target remains 35.05, well above today's 28.72 close. Whether that gap closes depends on whether the cautious guidance proves overly conservative or right on the money. Full tool at predictability-api.com. Link is in the description. Run any time series data. Breakdowns happen all the time. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you in the next one.